You are no ordinary fool. Yoren knows a kindred spirit when he sees one. You must trod new ground where your feet can stand alone. I know just how to make you the sole hero of the day. Just so. This one is heartsick without his betrothed. What good is all this food and drink without the one you love to pick it from your teeth? But Yoren is forbidden to see his bride-to-be until the day of our vowels. Free her from her minders, so we may grow fat together. Take a token of my love, the sickly sweet brownish flesh of mud crab apples, and she will know I sent you. The guard cannot know their king bade the absencing of his bride. Use cautiousness. This one's overlarge heart tramples in anticipation of seeing his bride-to-be. Not many have a taste for mud crab apples, but this one knows they are my sweet's favored sweetness. Her minders do not let her indulge in them freely, and it is Yoren's promise that she will eat as many as she likes when we are married. Have the others filled your head with foibles about this holy day? Enviness leads many to claim they lead the antics, but it was the first man who taught Mayor humor. Or was it that he had the last laugh? No matter. Iskramor did everything first. Do not let this one's joviality deceive you into believing that Yoren is elsewhere. Before you is the fearsome masher of mare and words you have heard in song and the tiny screams of scared mice. Though the heart of a cinch tiger roars within my chest, this one cannot claim to be one of those noble beasts. Yoren's habit of lying naked in the sun does not help his case, he knows. But he assures you he is sadly a man. This one's overlarge heart tramples in anticipation of seeing his bride-to-be.
Hey, you! Interested in some real Jester's Festival fun?
Let's ride.
Take pity. Have we been led into error?
My pig? Who took my pig? Anyone seen a suspicious character with a pig? Here, pig! Here, piggy, pig, pig! All right, you win! Just hand over my pig and we'll pretend this never happened.
Oh, you have brought Yoren his bride to be. Or does this one's eyes deceive him? He is very intoxicated.
I didn't. It's this dry air.
Yes, I empathize. It's murder on the skin. Just look at me.
Ooh, you should get that looked at. Practically a wizard.
Ah, she is tasteful, is she not? I could just eat her up. Much better. Your heroics have stirred my spirits. I must savor these tenderest moments, rare as they are. Now that you have hogged all the glory here, I think we will be taking this party elsewhere. Will you follow our folly of fools down this onerous path? To the afterlife for great rulers, Sovereign Guard! No, wait, that is not it. Volkerguard. Queen Irene wishes to show us true cheeriness. Today has seen enough boorish crime. You've earned your swill, so drink your fill, and leave my bride and I to some private time, hmm? It's true her meatiness rivals that of Yoren, but his only complaint is that his bride-to-be snores so much. She is warm on the cold East March night, and never complains of crumbs in the bed. No other like her within my reach. Today has seen enough boorish crime. You've earned your swill, so drink your fill, and leave my bride and I to some private time, hmm?